Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make cinematic photos in Google Photos on your mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just want to open Google Photos over here. So what are the photos I taken? Everything will be displayed in my Google Photos as you see here. So now I just want to share how to make a cinematic photos. So on my Google Photos, this is my account. So here there will be a plus button over here. So here there will be a beautiful option Google Photos has given, that is album, collage and highlighting videos and cinematic photos and animations. So these are the new features which is came for the 2025, so that uses option to create a beautiful cinematic photos as well as highlight videos, everything. So I just choose a cinematic photo. So I just choose some of the photos which I need for cinematic. So I just select the photos and just create. Automatically it will create a cinematic model so that I can able to share in my Instagram page or any types of social media using without any other software. Automatically it will generate with the AI option. So Google itself given the Google Photos with the cinematics videos and photographs. So using your photographs it will convert into a cinematic photos. So it will take time to create your cinematic photos, and once you create, automatically it will move into the cinematic as you see here. So this is the cinematic photograph. So without any other delay I can able to save, and I can able to share this one as a Instagram page or anything. I just click here to share, so I can share my Instagram. So whatever social media I can use according to my needs. Yes, I just go back, I just click a plus button, so I can create an album, I can create a collage photograph. So what are the photographs? I just want to select the photographs to create a collage. Automatically it will create a collage. So what type of collage you want, you can choose according to that. So that this is a beautiful option. So use this collage option to create your collage, and as well as you can save the photographs using your mobile phone itself. You can easily understand and create. And highlight videos, you can highlight the videos using this option. Just click here to highlight the videos. So what are the videos you want, you can highlight the videos. I just choose my name and I just want to highlight the previews or preview. So I just create, automatically the generator will be open to create a video for your name. So you can choose whatever photographs you want, you can create a video with the highlight option. It will take time to create your video. So totally it will take around 1 to 6 videos to convert into a highlighted video. So I just to play and show you with the music option. So you can see, you can find out the music option, you can add the video, you can save the video, everything is free. So without any other software you can use this option to create your beautiful videos and convert into a video format, and you can use this one. So this is a highlighted video, so it will convert into a different kind of videos option. So if you want, you can share, save, otherwise you can discard the things. So similarly you use this photographs to erase, and you can highlight the photographs, everything. What you have to do here, so simple and easiest way, just click here for the edit option. So you can click edit option. So to enhance the picture, so what are the picture you want, you can enhance the picture. So you can dynamic, you can profile, portrait the picture, as well as so you can enhance the picture. So what are the color things, you can do that, as well as the beautiful option which is I love to have the color pop-up. So only the color, only the pop-up will be happen over here as you see here. So similarly I can able to use a magic eraser also, which is beautiful option. So it will be there in your tools option. So just click here for the tools. Automatically there will be a portrait light, and lights will be there, as well as magic eraser also will be available. So I just scroll down and use this option to magic eraser to erase unwanted images in my nearby areas. I just choose this area to be removed. Yeah, so just erase means automatically it will erase. See, same kind of trees I don't want, I just erase means automatically that the informations will be erased. So nearby area I just want to erase this one. So without any other delay it is erasing all kind of things. Using magic eraser in a Google Photos also will be available to erase the photo. So only the highlighting photo. So I want to erase properly, I want to erase so that it will be easy to understand. So yeah, you can understand. So this is a beautiful way to erase the photographs, to highlight the particularly photographs with the thing. So if you want, you can done this option so that the color pop-up will be added, the magic eraser will be added, and the enhancement will be added. So if I want to save the copy, this will be a new copy of this photograph. The original photos will be there as well as the duplicate photos will be there. So these are the beautiful acts which is used for the Google Photos to have access in a different way to create your photographs, highlight the video, cinematic animations, everything will be available. So I just choose some random pictures to animate. I just create animations to create animations, so automatically it will animate the photographs as well as, yes, as you see here. So this is a simple and easiest way to create your beautiful photographs using this Google Photos. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment box so that I can able to understand whatever you are required and I can create a video.